Pi Educational Services.
Hi learners, welcome again to the second video. So we have been talking about how to change decimals from base 10 to other bases, and we've looked at one example. So let's take a look at another example here, example 2. Now this is example 2 here. The question says change 87.65 base 10 to base 8. Now, just like the first example, we are going to take the first step is change the whole parts to solution. So change the whole part, that is 87 to from base 10 to base 8. So because we are changing 87 to base 8, we're going to divide 87 by 8. So we keep dividing. So let's go. 87 divided by 8. So 87 divided by 8 will give you 10, and we have a remainder of 7. Also, 10 divided by 8 will give you 1, and we have a remainder of 2. And finally, 1 divided by 8 will give you 0, and we have a remainder of 1. So 87 base 10 will give you, so you take your digits from the bottom to the top like this, and that will give you 127 base 8. Now let's take the decimal part. Decimal part will be 0.65. Because we are changing from base 10 to base 8, so we keep multiplying by 8. So we have 0.65. So don't forget, we are only interested in the decimal part. So we multiply by 8. So 8 times 5 will give you 40. So you write 0 and put 4 here. Then 8 times 6 is 48. 48 plus 2 will give you 52. So you write 2 and put the remainder, put 5 here. Now, let's multiply by 8 again until we arrive at 0, 0 here. So let's go. So 8 times 0 will give you 0, and 8 times 2 will give you 16. So you write 6 and you put the point and you put the 1 here, 1 here. Again, let's multiply by 8 again. This is multiplying by 8. So let me reduce this. So multiply by 8. So we have 8 times 0, that will give you 0, and 8 times 6 will give you 48. So you have 8, and let's put 4 here. Point and 4 should be here. Now let's see if we can multiply by 8 again. Multiply by 8 again. So 8 times 0 will give you 0, and 8 times 8 is 64. You put 4 and you put the 6 here. You can see if you keep going that way, we might not get our 0. Okay, the digit will keep going, might keep going. So, and that will take a lot of time. So we are going to stop here, just like saying in 3 decimal places or in 4 decimal places. So we'll stop here, and we'll take our digit from this place here, from the top to the bottom. And that will give you 0, then you have 5, you have 1, you have 4, and you have 6. So which is the same thing as 5, 1, 4, 6. So this is actually the decimal part. So therefore, the question 87.65 will give us 1 in base 10 will give us 127 points, the digits here, 5146 base 8. So that is our answer. So that is it. So we meet again in the next video for the third example. Stay tuned. I am Mr. Salah. Bye.